Grade 8 Taurus, Ken R. de Aparejado, Science, Quarter 2, Week 1 and 2.
Make your own fault model and explain the 3 types of fault. This is my fault model. You can print a fault model image from Google, then color it. Use the coloring key guidelines. Now let's talk about the 3 types of fault. Number 1. Normal fault. A deep slip fault in which the block above the fault has moved downward relative to the block below. Number 2. Reverse fault. A deep slip fault in which the upper block above the fault plane moves up and over the lower block. Number 3. Strike slip fault. A fault on which the 2 blocks slide past one another. And that is the 3 types of fault model. This is an example of a fault model.